Spiny Sea Stars. Look, what do you see in this picture? It is colorful and bumpy. Is it a rock? Surprise! This is an animal called a sea star. Many sea stars live at the edge of the sea. Other sea stars live at the bottom of the sea. Sea stars are different colors and sizes. Most sea stars are no bigger than a dinner plate. Sea stars are slow animals. How do these slow animals stay alive? Sea stars are spiny. Spines are hard bumps or prickles. Spines poke out from the skin of sea stars. How do spines help a sea star stay alive? Most predators will not eat animals that have spines. Ouch! Predators are animals that hunt and eat other animals. Do any predators eat sea stars? A few predators eat sea stars. This seagull is eating a sea star. Every sea star has at least 5 arms. Point to the arms on these sea stars. How many arms does this sea star have? Some sea stars have more than 20 arms. If a sea star hurts its arm, it can regenerate a new arm. That means it can grow a new arm. This sea star is regenerating 4 arms. Which arms are the new ones? The arms of a sea star join at the central disk. The central disk is the round middle part of a sea star's body. Under each arm are many tiny tube feet. They look like straws. Tube feet help a sea star grab things and let go of them. A sea star uses its arms and tube feet to crawl. How does the sea star see where it is going? Sea stars have eyes, but they can see only light and darkness. A sea star has one eye spot at the end of each arm. A sea star uses its eye spots to help it find food. The mouth of a sea star is underneath the central disk. Sea stars eat small, slow animals. Sometimes they eat dead animals, like this dead fish. This sea star is eating a mussel. It pulls the mussel shell open. The sea star pushes its stomach into the shell and eats the soft mussel. Is this sea star eating? No, it is squirting eggs into the water. Sea star babies come from eggs. Each egg grows into a larva. A larva is a baby sea star. A larva looks different from a grown-up sea star. A larva grows into a small, young sea star. These young sea stars look more like grown-up sea stars. Soon this sea star will become a big, spiny sea star. Find your state or province on this map. Do sea stars live near you? Parts of a sea star's body: central disk, tube feet, arm, spine, eye spot. Another word for arm is ray. Going back to this picture, there is a sea star, but it is on top of a whole bunch of other sea stars called brittle stars. Can you see all of those brittle stars? Pretty cool. Spiny sea stars.